Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Power on AirPods Max and put them in pairing mode so the adapter can see them. Plug a compatible Bluetooth dongle into the PS5 USB port. This is necessary because PS5 lacks native Apple headphone support. Once done, open PS5 settings and go to Sound. Set output to the USB or the connected adapter so the console routes audio through the dongle. Make sure microphone settings match if you need chat audio as well. You now pair the adapter to your AirPods Max. Press the dongle's pairing button until its LED blinks, then put your AirPods Max in Bluetooth pairing. Once they connect, the adapter LED should change to a solid color, indicating success. Then return to PS5 sound settings and select the newly connected dongle as the output device. Adjust the output device's volume and balance so game and chat levels are comfortable. If you want mic use, confirm the PS5 recognizes input from the adapter. Finish by testing audio and chat. Launch a game and join a party to confirm both game sound and voice chat work. If you notice lag, make sure the adapter supports low latency codecs. Otherwise, switch to a wired headset or use the PS Remote Play app on a device paired with AirPods Max for lower delay. If things go wrong, repair the devices, update the dongle firmware if available, and restart the PS5. This often clears connection glitches and restores proper audio routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.